So we're gonna be juicing a few different recipes today. But before we start juicing, let's start with prepping. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure that you clean off your fruits and vegetables of any pesticides. So I like to use apple cider vinegar. And so you normally wanna put about 2 tablespoons with the water, and that's gonna help to kill off any bacteria or pesticides that might be on the fruits and vegetables. And then you're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. And as you see, I have my lemons in there as well because sometimes I like to juice the skin of the lemon. So you're gonna make sure they're clean as well. So we got our ginger, we have spinach, we have parsley, cucumber, apple. Then I have some watermelon over here that doesn't need to be cleaned, and we have pineapple. So after you let it sit, you're gonna drain the water out, and then you're just gonna run water over it one final time just to make sure you've gotten all of the pesticides as well as the apple cider vinegar taste off of it. So first we're doing our watermelon. Next we're gonna do pineapple and ginger. And so for our third recipe, we have spinach, apples, English cucumber, parsley, lemon, and pineapple. And there you have it. So we have our green juice, which is great for detoxification. We have our watermelon juice, which is great for blood flow. And brothers, if you have issues with erectile dysfunction, drink you some watermelon juice. I like to call it natural Viagra, and add a little bit of lemon to it. That will help with the absorption rate. Then we have the pineapple and ginger, which is great for your respiratory system, great for folks who have asthma, and it also helps to reduce mucus in the body. So cheers, enjoy. And remember, everything that we put in our mouth is either fighting disease or feeding it. Make sure you're fighting it.